Hello guys, let's talk today about this dual camera. I got it from Amazon. As you can see, it's a camera with dual lens, so you can have an image stitched together just like one image, but in fact there's two lenses, right? So you can have 180 degrees. As you can see, I have the camera outside. It's there on my balcony, and my balcony is pretty large, but the camera can view 180 degrees, so you can see everything because again it's stitching the image together with the two lenses that the camera has, one on the left side and one on the right side, and you see one single image. It's pretty good. You can see 180 degrees. Okay, so this camera has some features here. It's for HD video, also has some analytics like human detection, two-way audio, 180 degrees as I'm saying because of the two lenses. Okay, and with the dual lens, and local storage and cloud storage as well. So you can have an SD card on the camera, and you can also record into the cloud, which is pretty good. Okay, let me just show you here the image from the camera where I have it here on my cell phone. So that's the image of the camera. Okay, you can see here, I can see the balcony, and I can move the image like this and see a lot. You see, it's a large area that the camera is monitoring, and I can basically see everything because of the two lenses. There's some stitch here between the two lenses somewhere here in the middle, but it's hard to see. I'm trying to find here when the cars are crossing there, but I can't see the stitch here. It's well aligned, so you can barely see some stitches here, right? Of course, you can reduce the image to see better, or you can increase like this or reduce like this, right? So you see the entire area here. Okay, when you change position like this, you see in a different way. And there's this part here on the bottom that you can see where the image is located, right? So the image comes from here to here. See, it's changing here. It's showing where you see the image. Right now, about the mid of the image, and here to the left side. So pretty interesting. Okay, you can also reduce like this. Pretty good. And there's a lot of interesting settings here that you can change. Just click here. You can see you can change the basic settings, the password, and have the local storage or the cloud storage. Change the record settings, some smart alarms, change the network settings, and the cloud service here. Okay, so that's the dual lens camera I got from Amazon. I like it and recommend it.